Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka Sankerdev College kalapan kutno yakatayo ki samla pulie balatip kum ka college week arhaja arphausaw haka artarik uleber arhaja arphausaw hadin bakalala ban penlong yaki program bapher haka niga sngi la don lang menteri katanat yale kai ka sorkar jala uba shakliar warjri kum ukongsan haringkat ka jinga don lang ka principal jong ka niga college ka Dr. Yurika FP Lingdo kinong hikai lembat ki samla pulie Haka ni kata yau lek men lala ban penlong yaki program ya lek kai bapher kum ka football, basketball, yatan telai, scavenger hunt, mau point, quiz, debate, essay, nalor ki program ya kop shot ruai bat ki wei. Kani ka ski kalalong ka basyong shit bat ka Jingishongkun baha lingba ka Jingashim benta ki samla pulie haka jing shot jing ruai ka skit bat ki wei.
Ample space and time for all students to participate in as many events as they want to. We recognize the importance of extracurricular activities, and it has always been our intent to encourage our students to have the spirit of participation. This is also a time when we provide a platform for them to express their gifts and talents, to showcase their skills.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center